Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy. Today we'll be showing you how to create dark tone portrait photo effects on PicsArt. First, select a portrait image of your preference. Now go to Tools and select Curve. Darken the image slightly as shown. Then select Adjust in Tools. With this, adjust the brightness, contrast and shadows. Next, go to Effects and select Black and White. Now go to Draw and with the black brush tool, cover the entire background. Increase the opacity and decrease the size of the brush to achieve detailed edges. Click Done. Go to Draw again and with the black colored brush, draw a vertical line on the image. Now from the Layer section, tap on the three dots and transform. With this, adjust the line drawn on the face as shown. And for the final touches, go to Effects and select HDR. So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.